Hello and welcome to E-Prime. This evening I am Daedran. The Queen of Dancehall Spice was among hip-hop's elite at the BET Hip Hop Award Show. Spice made a solo appearance on the red carpet dressed in yellow. She said it represented one of the three colors of the Jamaican flag. It's her second appearance in weeks at a major U.S. entertainment event. She was recently a guest of designer Laquan Smith at New York Fashion Week. Footballer turned rising star? That's the story of 17-year-old Camperdown midfielder Mozain Sutherland. He walked away with the 2022 Dancehall Rising Star title, plus $1.5 million in cash and other prizes. The 2-hour finale was packed with fun, excitement, and of course, lots of anxiety. There were performances from some of this year's contestants as well as some of last year's. The night, however, belonged to Mozain. Congratulations. Now on the international scene, picture this, a high-end fashion show, but in mud. It's actually the talk of the fashion world after Balenciaga launched its Summer-Spring 2023 lines yesterday. Kanye West opened the show walking the runway of mud. As for the collection, well, you be the judge. Creative director of the show told TMZ that the mud is a metaphor for digging for truth and being down to earth. That's it for E-Prime this evening. I'm Daedran. Thank you for watching.